बाकी सारे आपके पुराने केले हैं। साइज सर, साइज इसका थोड़ा बड़ा है नहीं?
Good morning, sir. How are you, sir? Good morning, sir.
Good morning to all of you. It's a very happy occasion that again I am as a leader of the force. I am well aware about the situations, problems of our state. Few priorities I will keep. Tourist safety will be the highest priority. Narcotics activities will be another priority. Traffic smoothness will be ensured on the road. There are the problems of the parking in some of the towns, that we will ensure that some green corridors, certain things we will promote where environment should also be protected and traffic should be smooth. And as far as technology is concerned, without technology support nowadays no police can be advanced. Every crime is having a cyber crime, but cyber crime also needs support of technology. My priority is with my police, my force, everybody should be fully equipped with the technology. Technology cannot be brushed aside. The rest, law and order is there, election is there, things will be placed, and my officers, DIG and IG, they have already briefed, they have prepared for that things. Now recruitment is going on, and it is going on smooth. So that will not be a problem and for this force. So that is there, and these are my priority areas. Basically, I will support all actions which are promoting for good governance. That may be smartness in policing, that may be smartness in technology, that may be smartness in behavior of the policing. I don't want the policeman to misbehave with any citizen. Absolutely not. And it's a big not. I need my policemen, while talking, while behaving to everybody, anybody, any citizen, any tourist, they must be helpful. And so that we can carry a very good name and fame for all over the, not only in country, all over the world. So I want to make Goa a tourist friendly destination without any kind of illegal activities. This is all my priorities, and I will see that in my force to promote these ideas.
Okay.
That's all, gentlemen. Thank you. Thanks to all of you.
So how do you feel you have been back to Goa? The experience will be advantage.
I have served more than 17-18 years at this place in all the capacities, and majority of the force have worked with me. I have worked with them. So there is absolutely no problem. I am new for the place, I am new for the village, I am new for the lanes, and that question is not with me. And I am fully aware of each and every situation. I will see that people must enjoy a peaceful life. People must be listened. Whatever problem people are raising, we must respond. And police must be a service delivery force. We must deliver a service in time-bound manner. My doors are always open. Anybody, anytime can meet me. Now, social media is full bloom. So there is absolutely no problem. People can come and meet, people can send the messages, people can send the complaints, and their complaints from this office will be time-bound disposals. I will again request all the citizens, they are also stakeholders of maintaining the peaceful society in Goa. If they feel anything, they can come forward. They can suggest. They can participate. We will welcome them.
Thank you.
The drugs in the Goa because
The drugs is no doubt it's our priority, and we will tackle with all various means whatever possible, such as awareness,